Welcome to LBO4. This right here is a 2024 Ford F-150, and I know guys it's a single cab, but it's not a regular single cab. Check it out, platinum front end, a whole conversion. We went with the, I mean, you can't go wrong with platinum. There was a bunch of options, and we didn't want to do a regular single cab, a regular drop like they normally do, the famous single cabs. We decided to be different, and we decided to do a platinum front end, front to back, full color match. This color is one of a kind color just because during the day you can see it's a nice blue with the pearl, and then during at night it looks like it's black, which is super nice because I guess you can have two colored on the truck. So yeah guys, that's a plus right there. And yeah guys, let's go down here, starting with the 24s, American 4s on 35s. And then this truck does have a 6-inch lift kit by BDS Cognito Control Arms, the whole 9 yards. This truck does have ring lights all around, so whenever you're cruising at night, you look like you're riding a spaceship, you know what I'm saying? And then let's go. Oh yeah, can't forget guys, I did mention full conversion. So the badges do have the platinum badge, which is super nice because I mean people like doing conversions, but they don't really like doing the whole 9 yards. And right here it looks real cool. We like doing above and beyond. So yeah guys, come on to the interior. There's something nice in this interior guys. We have a super loud sound system, so you're not gonna be looking just nice from the outside, you're also gonna be cruising the right way. Leather seats, big screen, check it out. And then on that center console guys, you will have 10 grand in cash sitting right there for you. This truck does come with 10 grand. Let's go to the back, check it out guys. Right here we have, are these 10s? I think they're 10s. Got 10 DB drive, subwoofer, we got 2, and then right there we call it titty panel, beauty panel, whatever you want to call it. There's 2 Apocalypse Neos. I think those are Arnolds if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna put them in the screen. We got 2 tweeters. So this truck overall has 4 speakers, 4 mid-range speakers, door speakers, 2 titty panel speakers, 2 tweeters. But yeah, this truck is super loud, so anywhere you go, they will literally see you coming and hear you coming. That's the right way to do it. Right here at Luxville Coat. So we just didn't want to give away a basic single cab. We decided to go big, do that Luxville touch. And then check it out guys, it is a 4x4. Now forgot to mention, this truck is a 5.0 Coyote. You will know by now, if you know these single cabs, they're one of the best here in Texas, all over the world. They're super fast. But yeah guys, check it out. The back, we do have, oh, excuse the mess, we're working, excuse that ladder. We do have bed liners. So if you want to put anything in the back, you won't have to deal with the bed scratching, whatever. This truck is fully equipped. Yeah, it's a single cab, but I mean, we fully equipped it, made it look nice. And then fog shocks in the back so you can have a smooth ride. Then let's go to the hood. Come on guys, badges right there, color match. Check it out, that engine is just super nice. That horsepower, this truck is super fast. Big battery for the sound system, so you won't have no issues. So yeah guys, this right here is LBO4, one of a kind single cab. We like single cabs. As you've seen our second giveaway, we decided to do a baby dually single cab, something never seen before. I mean, you have, but we decided to do something different, a trailer and some cash on top, just changing lives overall. But yeah guys, this right here is one of my favorite out of all the giveaways we have given away. Even though there were setups, this is my favorite right here, because this right here is just loud, and no matter what, they will literally see you and hear you coming. But yeah guys, this right here is the overview of the entire truck, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this new truck whenever you win. So yeah guys, hit that link, pick up some gear, and I can't wait to give you that call that you won this truck behind me and 10 grand in cash. Good luck to everybody.